Hey y'all, another unboxing. I've peeked at this one. My camera's not doing its best right now, and I had started working on it and then the camera messed up, so we're gonna do it all over again, which is fine with me. I love looking at these. This one is Blue Zion. Isn't she pretty? Like Avatar. Yay. So Blue Zion is a round, and let's see, it is 55 by 55 centimeters, and Blue Zion was $49.95. I bought her on April 13th. I got her on April 17th. So, let's get into her. She is there. So, these beads were packed on February 22nd. Let's see. Come on. There we go. February 22nd. There are some really pretty colors in here. But let's get into this first. You know, you all want to see the canvas. The canvas is so pretty. And soft. Gosh, Mandi Manzano does awesome job. So here, whoops. Here you go. Now, DAC has listened, and this schematic of 36 colors is up here, and it's down here, which is awesome. Oh, look at the flowers and the colors. The colors of the flowers are beautiful. These vines over here, those are going to be amazing. Wow. Yeah, she definitely looks like she would be on the Avatar movie. Definitely on the Avatar movie. Wow. So let's see, there is one AB color, and it is color number 1. It is found in her lips. I have already checked through these, and all the beads are there because it came with a strip. Really like this strip. Really like the strip. That is such a pretty purple. Look at that purple. Yeah. This white right here, you probably can't see that. The black 310 Life is real in this one. Yep, see, there they are. The white ones. That's going to be really cool. White ABs for her lips. I mean, come on. Look at all these colors. These colors are amazing. Now let's take them out. I have to show you, because they're so pretty, and it's such a wide range of colors. 310. Go figure, right? Of course. So, more 310 and more 310. This is a dark brown, 3371. Then you have your blues. 939 is a dark blue, and another blue, and another blue. Then there's kind of this, I don't know, mauve color. Oh, I see one that doesn't belong. Light blue. That's kind of a weird color. I can't decide if that is purple. Looks like a funky purple. And then 797, 3325, There's 333. 890 is a pretty green. There's 3855. There's 550. Such a pretty purple. 208. And there is your AB 125. Then we have 3837. That is such a pretty purple. 3854. That's kind of an orange. And there's that like sea foam. There is a red. That's kind of an orange. Purple. Pink. Pink. Brown. And that is a bright purple. Then we have an orange and a coral. And then you have a green, brown, pink. That's a pretty kind of, I don't know, almost like a, I don't know, what would you call that? That's pretty. And there one. And then these are kind of your seafoam to darker seafoam green. So yeah, these are pretty colors. Now to get them back in the bag. I know what I'm going to do. Alright. Stick that right there. Flip it over. Now, let's see if we can't... What? Hoppy is sitting at the window having a fit at the other cats. She's not a happy girl right now. She's really not a happy girl. But, oh well. Okay. See if I can't get this in here. And then this one. So, let's get on down into here and check out how clear these are. I mean, these are definitely very clear. Come on, focus, focus. Focus, focus. I tell you what, I am not liking this camera right now. And it doesn't like me. There we go. Thank you so much. So, yes, they are very, very clear. Not a problem reading these. And, yeah, we're going to pack it back up. Try to get it back in the box. And one day I'll get to work on it. One day. One day. Okay. So. That there. Since I didn't make it back in with the beads, I'll just stick that in with the canvas. So, Blue Zion is gorgeous. Did not expect anything else from DAC and Mandi Manzano. And let me get the drill pin and tray out. Yeah, she has such beautiful work. Oh my goodness. She really does. Okay. Oh, already got it in there. So that is, I'm having trouble. Blue Zion. And I love her. I love her. I love the colors. I think she's awesome. One day I'll get to her. One day. One day I will get her done. So, until next time, guys. Bye, y'all. Have a great, great weekend.